Katsu is a Japanese version of crispy fried cutlet made with panko breadcrumbs, and they're one of the key ingredients to make this dish super crispy. To go with the katsu chicken, I will give you my secret curry sauce recipe, which tastes better than the one you can find in Wagamama. To start, I will prepare the chicken, which is a messy work, but you can easily avoid it by asking your butcher. And for those who just want to use the chicken breast you already have, just butterfly them and flatten them as you see in the video. After that, you may want to marinate with some miso paste or soya sauce to give the chicken some flavor. Once the marination is done, simply pane them. Pane is a cooking term where you coat the chicken breast in flour, then egg wash, and then the breadcrumbs. You can add layers of flavor at this stage by adding seasoning in the flour, eggs, and even in the breadcrumbs. This will give the dish extra layer of yumminess. Let me cook the sauce. Whenever I cook Katsu Chicken Curry, I make this specific sauce as it is full of flavor. So we start by frying the onion. Then the soya sauce, then curry powder, miso paste, garlic and ginger paste, and some chicken stock. Then give it a mix and let it simmer for a few minutes. After 8 to 10 minutes, add some peanuts and blend it to smooth sauce. And there you have the sauce ready for the katsu chicken we're about to fry. Okay, let's put the sauce away and fry the chicken. For that, take enough oil to shallow fry the chickens and make sure the oil is hot. Next, you just take the breaded chicken breast and carefully drop them in the oil. Let them fry until golden brown, and it should be cooked through if you have pounded the chicken to start with. Once that is done, take out the excess oil with some paper towel and ready to serve. I like to serve this dish with overcooked basmati rice. So simply serve the crispy chicken on top of the rice and then the salad. After all, the curry sauce on top of those crispy katsu chicken. There you go, our chicken katsu curry is ready. It looks beautiful and I can't wait to try. So guys, a humble request to you to smash the like button before you go to the next video, and I will see you in the next one.